How to fix the following problem on Threads. Hello guys, if you want to fix this problem, first step, click settings, click apps and notifications, and click apps. Wait a second for loading, and after this step, scroll down for search app or click here for search Threads. Go to force stop and click OK, and go to storage and click clear data and click OK, and click clear cache. After these steps, go to data and turn off mobile data and turn on, and turn off Wi-Fi and turn on. So don't forget like and subscribe. Bye.